Hey guys, Gazer Glider here. Hey, I'm not one to use social media for rants, but today's different. Today's different. After the day I had yesterday with this thing, and then again today, I'm gonna rant. I'm just gonna rant. So I own a 2011 Polaris Ranger XP, 800 XP Browning Edition, and was going to go to change all the fluids in it. I've only had this thing about 2 years now, and decided this, like I say, it only has got 216 hours on it. So I was going to change all the fluids in it. It's got its inherent issues, but the front diff and the rear diff, Polaris, you suck. You suck. The planning and locations of your drain plugs and fill plugs, good Lord have mercy. So I'm on the rear diff right now. I just have got it finished up, and the plugs I'm looking at are right there's the top one. That's your fill plug, and that's your drain right there. So the drain's not too bad, but the guy that had it before me had taken it to a Polaris dealer to have it serviced, to have, I think, like the 100-hour service on it, something like that. And so they serviced it last. Good Lord, I stripped out the front differential fill plug, fill plug, and I stripped out both of these because good Lord have mercy. Once y'all put them in there with the friggin' impact wrench, good gosh almighty. So stripped out the vent first, because you always want to take the fill plug out first, because if you can't get that released and you drain everything out, well, you're kind of screwed. So just looking at this, whoever planned this thing put that fill plug right behind the rail, right behind the frame. So you got to get in there. I mean, you take the contortionist. So I stripped out the 8mm Allen wrench and hammered in a Torx. I can't remember what size Torx it is now, but hammered in a Torx on there. And I had the Torx head, and then I had this long sucker in there. And then that wasn't enough. On the handle of it, I had to put a wrench just so I could have extra leverage to twist it off. And when it broke, I thought I broke my ratchet. I really didn't think I broke my ratchet. So finally got it in there, got everything drained, got everything filled back up. Yeah, Polaris, you suck. Your designing and engineering on this thing, pitiful, pitiful, pitiful. I don't know what the crap y'all are doing up there, but somebody's got to do something better than this. So, all right, well, I've got everything. Oh yeah, I had to wind up taking the back tire off just to get in there to get to it. I had to put it up on the jack, and motorcycle jack, or on an ATV jack. Lift the back end up enough and take this off where I could actually get in there to work, and good gosh almighty. So, all right, it's been a 3.5 minute rant and I'm done. Man, gotta give me patience today. Woo, this has been a booger. But got it done. We're good for another, I don't know how many hours. Like I said, it's only got 216 hours on right now. So anyway, y'all go have a blessed day. Don't just be blessed, but go be a blessing to somebody else. All right, later.